Hey all, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel World of Coding. In today's video, I'm going to show how we can set up Java and Spark in Windows 11. So let's begin. Okay, so first we are going to install Java, which is a prerequisite uh, for Spark to run. Okay, so let's begin. So yes, search for download Java, and in the first link you will see Java downloads Oracle. Okay, and here you can see Linux, macOS, Windows. So I'm going to click on Windows and click on x64 installer. So for convenience I've already downloaded it, and now let's install. Click on yes. I'm going to check yes because I've already installed it, and for the recording purpose I'm again installing it. Okay, click on close. So Java gets installed inside C directory, program files, and inside Java folder. You can see this is our by default directory. Now let's set path of our Java to environment variables. Okay, click on environment variables. Okay, and create a new variable Java home. Okay, click on new, give the name Java underscore home, and gives the variable a value. So my Java is installed at this path. Okay, so inside Java home, give the path inside which all the folders of JDK is being present here. Okay, click on OK, and go inside path system variable and add the bin path to it. So we have already set Java home as variable. Just we need to add slash bin here. Okay, now your command line tool will able to recognize Java. Okay, search for command line and search for Java hyphen version. So, so as you can see, uh, mm, uh, I have Java 18.0.1.1 installed. Now let's install Spark this time. Okay, um, go to new tab and search for download Spark for Windows. Okay, here you can see spark.apache.org. Click on downloads Apache Spark. Here you can see the Spark release and the package type. Okay, so we are going to select the latest version for 3.3. Okay, click on this link, you will direct it to this link. When you click on this, a Spark TZ file will open. Okay, so go here, it's inside my download folder, so let me extract it. So let's extract this. Okay, so again inside there is a zip file. Okay, here you can see our Spark is installed. Let's rename it. Let's give a name Spark 3 and place it inside C drive. Okay, as you can see, uh, our Spark folder is been copied to C drive. Okay, now let's do one thing. Let's again set the path in the environment variables. Okay, click on environment variables and click on new and give the path value and give it a name spark underscore home. Okay, click on OK here and go inside again path variable and add the bin path to it slash bin. Okay, click on OK and click on OK. As you can see, inside bin folder you have PySpark and Spark shell. So uh, Spark shell will launch the scalar shell and PySpark will launch the PySpark shell, which Python has backend. Okay. Now let's search for. Um, let's first run Spark, or let's do one thing, because we've edited our uh, environment variable, so it will not able to pick the latest variable. Okay, so let's start again command prompt from here. Okay, and now let's run Spark hyphen shell dot cmd. So it will launch the scalar shell by default. Okay, you can see my welcome to Spark version 3.3.0. This is the same version that we have downloaded from here. Okay, so you can, as you can see, my Scala version it's using. Now let's terminate it. Click on Y. Click on Y. Now let's launch PySpark shell .cmd. Okay, you can see now this time it's using Python. So in order to run PySpark shell, you must have Python installed. Okay, so in order to install Python, you can go to Python install Windows. You can go to python.org and install the whatever the latest version is being present here. Okay, okay, as you can see, uh, welcome to Spark 3.3.2 and it is using Python, and you can see the Spark context webI is available at this URL. You can go here. Okay, you can see the event timelines. Currently no jobs are running. Okay, you can see the Java is being installed at this Spark, the Java version, Scala version. Okay, then comes the Spark properties. So in this video I've shown how we can set up Spark in Windows 11. Hope you enjoyed the video. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.